Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to open up a snap without them knowing. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily open a snap secretly. So I would need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to turn on your flight mode. Now once you have turned on your flight mode, then you open the snap or the chat. So just turn on your flight mode, but in the first place you have to update your Snapchat application. So if your Snapchat is not updated to the latest version, update your Snapchat to the latest version. Once you are done, then you turn on your airplane mode or your flight mode. Now once you are done, then you take a screenshot of the chat. Now once you have taken the screenshot of the chat, all you need to do is to just go back and then uninstall your Snapchat. Now once you have uninstalled your Snapchat, just turn off your airplane mode and then open your Play Store or your App Store and then download your Snapchat again. Now once you open the chat, your snaps will be still unopened or unseen, or the messages will be unseen. So by performing this trick, you can secretly view snaps without them knowing. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new